Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Clayton. When I was in school, I came across 3D modeling and I really fell in love with it instantly. I've loved it since, and it's something that I've pursued to make my career. And when I was in school, I found myself, and even today, I found myself having struggles with figuring out how to do something, no matter how good a teacher was in school. And so I often went onto YouTube, like many of you do, to figure out how to use a feature. But what I found was oftentimes I had to shuffle through videos that were, 10, 15, sometimes even 25 minutes long, just to figure out where a single feature is and how to use it. So what I want to be doing with this with this channel, is I want to be highlighting features, one feature per video, with the goal of making these instructional videos only 3 minutes long. That may not be doable for some features, but I'm going to be doing my best. And the programs I'll be focusing on are SolidWorks and Fusion360. If there are other programs you'd like me to look into, I'd be more than happy to. There are others that I know how to use, and if this channel goes well, I'd be more than happy to venture into. But that's something that I really wanted to give to people, and I hope that it's something that will be helpful to you in your education, whether you're in high school and middle school, college, or just a hobbyist. I really think that 3D modeling is such a fun activity for some people, and a great career choice. And so I really encourage people to try it out, and I hope that these videos will help you in that pursuit. So thank you again for checking out my channel, and I hope you enjoy these videos.